From the Maroon drums, from the sea winds of Port Royal, from the cane fields and the classrooms, Jamaica, arise, your heroes speak. Nanny of the Maroons, mother of warline, queen of Blue Mountain thunder. She rise with the leaf camouflage and prophecy eyes, blow up in notes that tear down the sky. She got the runaway children, turn forest to fortress, turn rebellion to heartbeat, turn bullet to memory. Ashanti spirit in her breath, her victory echo still shake Portland rock, still guide the barefoot warrior walk. Paul Bogle, beacon with the fire script, Morant Bay march burning justice in his step. He carry the cry of the poor like a cross across St. Thomas dust. He knock up on the courthouse door of oppression, and the empire answer with rope and rifle. But Bogle rise everlasting, inked forever in the rebellion wing. Money them walk with the way, through the cane feel pain. Money them talk with the way, in ancestral rain. The heroes carve the roads of freedom sustained. And Jamaica lift your voice, call them name again. Money them walk with the way, through the cane feel pain. Money them talk with the way, in ancestral rain. The heroes carve the roads of freedom sustained. And Jamaica lift your voice, call them name again. George William Gordon, son of two worlds, merchant preacher, true speaker. He used the pen like a cutlass, slashing through colonial lies. He defend the poor with words sharper than any soldier bayonet, wrongly condemned down by empire law. Yet his ideas bloom eternal, courage planted like cane root in the soil of Jamaican mind. Marcus Garvey, Black Star Navigator, philosopher, king of African redemption. He built a nation in the imagination first, then give it ships, uniforms, factory, schools of the spirit up your mighty race. Still roar across the globe as union banners flap in eternity breeze. Garvey paint liberation with colors no empire could feel. What did them walk with the way, through the cane field pain? What did them talk with the way, in ancestral rain? Now the rose carve the roads of freedom sustained. And Jamaica lift your voice, call them name again. What did them walk with the way, through the cane field pain? What did them talk with the way, in ancestral rain? Now the rose carve the roads of freedom sustained. And Jamaica lift your voice, call them name again. Norman Manley, golden tongue visionary, crown council who switch sides. From empire's courtroom to Jamaica's future road, he negotiate with intellect sharp like flint. Craft constitution lines that crack on the cage for self-rule. Alexander Bustamante, labor crusader, bold like thunder, voice among striking workers. He stand in the street, sign his name to danger. When workers kneel under plantation law, he rise to be first prime minister, a symbol of the working class shout. Finally reaching government gate, Sam Sharpe, Baptist deacon of flame, call freedom as sacred as breath. He led the head, the night 81 strike, not for vengeance, but for dignity. When the plantations burn under the weight of injustice, Sharpe step forward to own responsibility, declaring change must end. Even if he fall, his martyrdom crack the empire's will. Soon after, emancipation walking. God and speak, Bogle rise, Nanny shield we, Sharpe baptize. Garvey dream, Manley plan, Buster organize. Heroes eternal, never demise. Torch to independence drum roll. From Maroon Hills to Kingston Harbour sunrise, we inherit kingdom built on sacrifice. Let the children know heroes not sleep. Them whisper in the classroom breeze, in market cries, in a bingy drums, in national pride. Jah Light raise the banner, colors bright like prophecy. Gold for the triumph, black for the struggle, green for the breath of tomorrow. We sing for the ones who walk so we could roll. Calling them again, 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 calling them again.